Did you know that nearly 140 million emergency department visits happen every year in the US? And 40 million of those are injury-related? Many of these emergencies happen right at home. Yet a surprising number of households aren't prepared for them. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into smart, practical hacks to crisis-proof your home. In a world where anything can happen, being prepared isn't just smart, it's essential. From natural disasters like storms and earthquakes to sudden power outages and even break-ins, our homes face real threats every day. But most families don't have a clear emergency plan or even a basic survival kit on hand. This lack of preparation puts lives at risk when it matters most. Let's change that right now. Here are some simple but life-saving hacks you can start with.